So what's going on, guys? In this video I'm gonna show you how to download Telegram on your PC. But before I start, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video in the comments and I'll try to respond. So yeah, let's move on point. How to download Telegram on your PC. Here is how. Just search in Google Telegram desktop as me and click not the first but the second link here, and then click on Get Telegram for Windows here, and now it's downloading. Actually I've already installed it, so we don't need to wait. Just click on it and then appears this window here. Just click on Run, select your language and click OK, and then select where you want this file, I mean Telegram, to be downloaded, in which folder. Click next, 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 and install. Wait a few seconds, finish, and when we go on our desktop, as you can see, here is our Telegram. When you double click on it, just click on Start Meeting, and you can just put your number, and also you can use your QR code from your to scan this QR code from your phone on Telegram. Yeah, but it's more complicated, so just you can use your number. And yeah, that was it. If I helped you out, make sure to give a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video as I said, and I will try to respond. And see you next video. Bye.